In our previous class, we had seen how to create your very first Visual Builder application using a standalone Visual Builder instance or the Visual Builder which comes out of the box with Oracle Integration Gen 3. In this class, we are going to learn how to create your very first application, that is the Visual Builder application using Visual Builder Studio. As we discussed in our previous class, almost all the classes in this course will be using the standalone Visual Builder instance or the Visual Builder instance which comes with the Oracle integration. We will not be using the Visual Builder Studio for developing our Visual Builder application. There is a dedicated course on using Visual Builder Studio for Visual Builder applications. You can have a look on the course in order to learn how to use VBS for developing VB applications. Now suppose if you are building your applications using the VBS, then here is the quick walkthrough. First of all, you have to create the environment and you have to create VB environment over here which can point to the specific Visual Builder instance. It could be a standalone Visual Builder instance or the Visual Builder instance which comes with Oracle integration. Next, go to the workspace over here, click on the new, and from here you have to select new visual application. Provide some meaningful name. I will name this as first VB app. From the environments, you can select the environment which you have created. If you are having a number of environments, select the appropriate dev environment. Next, if you want to change the template, click on one of the templates. We will touch upon this concept in our coming classes. Suppose if you are creating your application for just research or testing purpose, then use the Scratch repository. Suppose if you are planning to publish your application for other environments or take this ahead as a serious application, then you can create a dedicated Git repository which will be creating a specific repository with the name what you provide and the branch. Suppose you are creating just for learning purpose, use it as Scratch repository so that it won't create a repo in this VBS. Click on create. So it will take some time. Once your workspace gets successfully created, you will land into this screen what you are seeing over here. Suppose if you are creating your very first Visual Builder application with the help of Visual Builder Studio, you will see the similar welcome screen wherein you will be provided with the tips and tricks from Oracle with the hyperlinks over there. So we had discussed in detail in our previous class, that is what each hyperlink means in this welcome page. We are not going to touch upon this again. So you can have a look at our previous class to know more. So exactly the same screen what we get in our standalone Visual Builder instance, we get with the VBS as well. So this is the page what we get when we create the application with the standalone Visual Builder instance. And this is the page what we get with the help of VBS. Only difference will be the control of Git won't be there in the VB standalone instance. Suppose if you see over here, the tab after source what you see in the case of VBS, that is the Git, it won't be shown over here. Only CI/CD and the Git based control you won't get in the applications what you create in the standalone Visual Builder instance. So rest of the things are exactly same. All the components whatever you see in the standalone Visual Builder instance will be seen in Visual Builder Studio as well. No change.